Hi, I'm Mike from Websty. In this video, I will show how to create this scroll effect in Bricks Builder using only vanilla CSS. In this video, I will explain step by step how to do it and also will talk about cross-browser compatibility. Let's get started and do it from scratch. Add section with container and duplicate container. In first container, add image and title. In second container, add title, text, and one div element with another div inside. After, add title and text in this div. Your base HTML structure ready. For first container, set specific style, width 100%, position sticky, top 0 and z-index 0. For image, set some width 100%, height 100 VH and set object width cover. For title, set up position absolute, top 50%, left 50%. Transform translate x minus 50% and I same minus 50%. Also customize your color and font size. For second container, set a background color black. Position relative and set index 1. You can set a minimum high. And to make a container fill the entire screen width, we can do this without settings for container width. Instead, we can use a trick with box shadow. Copy this class and paste for second container. After, continue to customize the second container. Add top padding and space between elements. Don't forget about title and text styles. After, go into main div and set width 100%. Also, you can add top and bottom margin. To create a block with 4 cards, you can use a flex or CSS grid and customize it as you want. However, to save a time, I will use classes from my framework. Finally, style our cards. Add padding, background color, border radius, add space between elements, and don't forget about title and text style. For animation, we will use a new CSS feature, Animation Timeline. Since Bricks Builder does have the option to create a custom animation using basic features, we will need to use a custom code. About cross-browser compatibility, we will discuss later. For to animate the image, we will copy class with name AnyLex. For to animate entire text, we will use a class with name AnyArticle. I will duplicate title and text and change order on page. To animate cards, we will use a class with name AnyFade. Also, I duplicate it 3 times. Check all animation and I will see 2 issues. Image animation has a white transparency and section have a horizontal scrolling. I deliberately made these mistakes to show you how to fix them. To fix a white transparency from image, add background color for first container. For eliminate horizontal scrolling, we will write just one line of CSS code. Save and refresh our custom file and page in Bricks Builder. As you can see, all issues have been resolved. Also, to avoid create an overlay, we can slightly modify the animation with changing the opacity from 1 to smaller value in start of animation. Currently, for animation timeline feature, support stands at 64%, but is not available for Safari and in Mozilla works like experiment feature. However, you can offer an interactive version of your website for Chrome and Android users. For our browsers, it will be static and without negative effects for website. But also, such animation can be made cross-browser compatible but using a little JavaScript code and rewrite some CSS class without affecting performance. If you want a video with custom JavaScript code, leave your comment below. And that's it. I'm Mike from Websty. Good luck and bye!